over, Roomba. Your half-ton-toting industrial brother is here, and he's brought friends. Meet the super retrieving warehouse robot by Kiva Systems. It's taking the where is it out of warehouse management. In a conventional distribution center, workers can walk as much as 10 miles a day finding the goods to fill customers' orders. These little guys bring the goods to the workers. Good boy. They're part of a growing breed of R2-D2-like rolling bots from companies like Aethon, whose tug robots push medical carts around hospitals, and mobile robots, whose machines scan buildings for architectural data or health hazards. The Kiva bots work as a fleet. Hundreds of them will take over a warehouse. The floor at the Kiva Demo Center in Woburn, Massachusetts is literally crawling with the critters. A central server choreographs their movements with the help of barcodes embedded in the floor.
As the robots are traveling, they're in constant communication with the host system over the wireless network, and they're asking for permission to take a certain amount of steps, and the host is reporting back which ones are allowable. And so by doing that, every time they move a few grid squares, they free up a few grid squares, and that combination of reservations helps make the system work.
The software is a combination of sophisticated agent-based programs that work together in a single application.
So rather than writing one large program that can make all of these decisions and is having to look at the whole picture, we have a bunch of separate agents, each of which has little knowledge about a piece of the system and is using decision theory to make its local decisions and then communicating them with the rest of the agents in the network.
Bots are only part of the solution. There's also an integrated picking station system. Laser pointers and lights tell the workers exactly which products to pick and what box to put them in. The software keeps the most popular products stocked together toward the front of the warehouse. Order history information is constantly updated. Office supply giant Staples uses the system at its Chambersburg, Pennsylvania facility and has seen output there increase 60%. It's so pleased it's rolling out the bots in Denver, too. Kiva CEO Mick Mounts came up with the idea for the warehouse retrieval system after working for Webvan in the 1990s. He was struck by how much time workers wasted filling orders at the grocery e-tailer.
We wanted to re-engineer the process and get rid of all of the non-value-added activities and let them stay still and focus on the problem of picking the items, putting them in the order, and packing out the orders.
It seems to be working. The bots even belly up to the recharging station themselves whenever they run low on battery power. And there's more. The company's come out with a squat bot that can heft 3,000-pound pallets. But lest all of this raises scary visions of robots taking over the world, orange ones at that, never fear. By the end of the day, I had them eating out of my hand. Come on, guys. For the AT&T Tech Channel, I'm Yasmin Garamani.